This is a radio station that I am going to be speaking on in Australia. Radio West. Station 747 in Esperance in Australia.
I'm going to believe what the temps are there, and I'll have more on that for you very shortly on the subject of the land of the maple leaf.
This is Wayne, the DJ in Australia that I was talking to about our cold weather, which we will hear shortly. Ciao.
It's Radio West playing real music variety. Not much variety with the weather. It's pretty much hot everywhere around WA, but quite the polar opposite, if you'll excuse the pun. In Canada, on the line from Canada right now, is Paul Watson. Good morning to you, Paul. How are you?
Fine. A little cold.
I should say good evening because it's, about 8 o'clock over there in Canada?
Yes, it's just after 8 p.m.
Okay, so what's the temperature been like? You guys have been having some severe cold weather over there, I believe.
Today's not bad. It was a low of -8 or 9.
And that's not
The
bad.
day before was -21 with a wind chill of -30 to -35.
Oh, what's the temperature now at the moment, do you know?
Right now it is -15.
How do you guys stay warm in this sort of weather? I just can't fathom it.
Sweaters, long underwear, 2 pairs of socks and hats.
Has this been a particularly bad winter by Canada's standards?
We normally don't get this cold until February, March. It's a little early to be cold.
We've been having cyclone weather up in the top of our state, and you guys apparently have been having ice storms, is that correct?
Yeah, we've been having ice storms. We had 2 of them go through, power outages and the whole bit. We actually got lucky where I am in Hamilton, which is near Toronto, because the lakes are still somewhat warm where we are, the Great Lakes. They deter the weather north or south of us. So Toronto got nailed, and Buffalo and New York got nailed with foot to sometimes almost 3 feet of snow in some places.
You're just outside Hamilton. What's the temperature like for tomorrow? Do you have a prediction?
Tomorrow it's going to be, let's see, it's only going to be a max of 1.
A max of 1. And what's it dropping down to tonight?
Tonight is going to drop down to a low of -15 with the wind at 20 kilometers, so it'll probably be about -20 with the wind chill.
As I say, living in Australia, it's hard to imagine temperatures that low. I guess maybe you're living in Canada. Do you guys find it difficult to fathom the temperatures that here get so high? I mean, we've had tops in the high 30s to low 40s.
You've had a nice week. Well, actually, we're in southern Ontario. It's not as bad as western Canada, where it's a little bit more northern. My sister had -40 temperatures for, almost a week.
-40?
Yeah.
And that's centigrade we're talking.
Yes.
That is...
Cold.
When you get these cold spells, does it get that cold that some people actually die as a result?
Yes, some people have perished from this type of cold. They say your skin can get frostbite within 5 minutes.
So 5 minutes in the cold and that's it, frostbite, and then...
Exposed skin, yeah.
I'm feeling cold just thinking about it, Paul. Well, like I say, stay warm. Thank you very much for joining us on Radio West, mate.
You're very welcome, Wayne.
Paul Watson on the line from Canada, braving the cold as we brave the heat. It's hard to get your head around temperatures of -40, isn't it, here down under? Stay with us. 1927's on the way shortly, and Nirvana Unplugged is next. It's Radio West with real music variety.